Show some respect. Disabled community takes offense to how they're referenced. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, investors wanted. Government seeks assistance for new traffic courts.
Renewed calls for members of the security forces to wear their seatbelts when on the job.
Man killed in Hunts Bay police shooting linked to several murders.
Pastor facing possible rape charge after he's found in compromising position with a minor.
In business news, Derriman Trading expands its samples cash and carry stores.
There's also sports commentary as well as primetime weather in the package. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think of the inadequate parking arrangements at the traffic court in St. Andrew?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.